Guys, dito sa Sima may food truck dito na Filipino barbecue. Ayan guys, yung sign may lumpia, pancit, adobo, sisig. Vegan. So ito guys, lang yung menu nila. Guys, food truck Philippines. Bossing,
Sir?
magkano yung chicken adobo?
Yung chicken adobo po.
Wala.
21 po. It's a convention price.
Isa? Oh, okay. 21. So yan. Yung sisig, parehas din?
Yung sisig po. 24 po.
24. May rice yan, no?
Ha?
May rice siya.
Yeah, it's either rice or fries po.
Oh, okay, okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Pag sa convention kami, it's a convention price po.
Oh, okay, okay.
Nila yung gamit namin.
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you po.
Yeah. Yeah.